Hi everyone, this is the Awesome Guys, and I'm here to show you the two air conditioners at my new house. I mean, there's technically three, but there's only two on this side of the house. And this one right here is a tree. This is from 1975. The data sheet has gotten painted over, but since the serial number is engraved into the data sheet, it's still, you can still read it, and it says 1975 on it. So here it is. See, the suction line is very cold, very sweaty, and this unit does the upstairs, and the upstairs always is warmer than the set temperature, and that's not because the AC unit is bad, it's just because there's no insulation, and it's pretty much an attic. Because the upstairs was an attic, and it was added on later. Before the upstairs was added on, there was an attic. And then over here next to it, we have a 2003 Lennox Elite Series unit. I believe this is a heat pump. The other one's a straight cool. And I believe this is a 1.5 nominal ton. It says 18 in the model number, so this must be a 1.5 nominal ton. And this is a heat pump. I have seen it running and defrosting in heat mode. This one is a straight cool. The house is quite old. It was built in 1974. The upstairs was added on a year later. And just because of no insulation and the upstairs is basically an attic, that's why it's always hot up there. And this one isn't running. This is, I think it just shut off. It's still here for it's going, and yes, this unit is pretty much the exact same thing as the other unit, except this one is a 3.5 ton and not a 1.5 ton. Also a Lennox Elite Series. This is a heat pump as well. And those are the three air conditioners at my house. And I don't know how many nominal tons the 75 Lennox is. Though it's probably a 2.5 to 3 nominal ton. And it's still running. And those are the ACs at the house. I will try and get a startup and shutdown of this unit. I don't know if I'll be able to get a startup shutdown of this unit. It'll have to be late at night if it does happen. And maybe the other one. I don't really know. Those are the ACs in my house. And the 1975 is a big treat. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.